What's going on? This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to dribble cards like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your deck and pinch it between your thumb and your middle finger on the corners here, like so. Make sure there's not really too much overhang. You kind of want it at your fingertips as opposed to further down your fingers. So make sure you're pinching it at the corners, kind of at the fingertips. Then you're going to use your index finger to apply downward pressure on the cards. And as you do that, you're going to slowly kind of like peel up your thumb and your middle finger at the same time while still applying that downward pressure, and slowly the cards should kind of fall out. So if you just keep on practicing that, you'll develop the muscle memory of getting that card dribble. And as you can see here, my index finger kind of slides along the side of the deck. You can also keep it in more so in one place, but I find it naturally just slides for me. Anyway, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. See ya.